Hey y'all, so today I'm making a cute little carrot out of buttons. So I started off just painting a piece of wood. I'm using Waverly chalk paints, plaster white. Now this did start off as me intending on making some rustic like button trees for my home for winter decor. So I wasn't going for a carrot at all to begin with. I was just trying to use some like tan buttons and things to make kind of like a little tan tree. And then eventually we kind of worked our way into a carrot at some point. So I'm just mixing a few different tan colored buttons, some darker ones, some lighter ones, and I was just trying to do like a rustic look. I thought about adding in this little rustic star for the top of our tree, but it was a little too bulky, so I took that off. And then that's when it clicked when I saw this little green button that I had, and I just added it to the sign, and I'm like, wait a minute, this looks just like a carrot. So we went on and committed to that, and I just started gluing all of the buttons on, and we're just gonna go ahead and make this into a carrot sign for Easter. Even though when I was recording this, y'all, it was literally like 3 or 4 days before Christmas, so definitely nowhere near Easter or spring or anything, but still a really cute idea for the upcoming spring season. And I don't know if you noticed, but I had a bunch of glue dots down on the bottom of my sign that I wasn't paying attention to, so I had to just scratch those off, and then I added in some twine just to add a little something extra to the sign. So yeah, just a really cute idea I wanted to share with y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.